we are now seated, and then what is presented to us first is actually the papadum with mango chutney and a saucer of mint sauce.
Want to try first?
Okay.
Papadum is always our favorite. Like whenever I have with the biryani rice, oh, it's crispy.
Let me try with the mango chutney. Nice. It's the mango chutney is sweet, and then the mint sauce. I like the mint sauce better. While we are having the papadum, the wait staff actually came with a welcome drink. It's orange mojito. I believe it's a mocktail. So let me try how it tastes like. Oh wow, it's the sweetness is acceptable, and then it's very refreshing. So it's perfect on a very warm sunny day like today. And over here is what they call the puri. It's actually an Indian street snack. So what we are supposed to do is at the bottom are actually shot glasses. So this is tamarind, this is turmeric, this is cranberry, and this is mint. So what we are supposed to do is to take this and then we pour it into the ball like that. Oops. And then you are supposed to like eat it. It's very crunchy, very nice, and inside there's like parsley and then potato. So it's a burst of flavors in your mouth.
This is a chicken garlic kebab, and then it looks very nice. Usually the kebab they don't really put garlic to marinate it, but this is a very special way they prepare in this way, and it comes with the salad. Smell good, and then the garlic mince, and then let me give it a try now. So we love kebab because it's always like a very flavorful dish. Let me give it a try, and then it's hardly to get garlic in marinade in Indian food usually, so it's gonna be something unique. I think I'm gonna try original taste first. Oh, wow! I think after you eat this, the vampire will not come to you. The garlic is very strong, and the chicken is very tender. It's very juicy. Let me try the salad. It looks good. There's a lot of onion in the salad. It may pair well with the kebab very well. I like it very much.
So this is one of the set that they serve, and it is very nicely presented. So according to the staff, right, they actually serve it in such receptacles for their royalty. So their princess, their kings, or have their meals from this copper utensils and crockery. And then over here you can see in front of Jim is the garlic naan, and then there's the biryani rice and also the papadum, which is spiced. Just now the papadum we had is non-spicy, so this is spiced with black pepper. And this is the butter chicken. This is cottage cheese with spinach, and then this is lentil. This is very unique because it's actually a yogurt that is homemade by their very own chef. And of course, this is the raw salad. And besides that, right, these are the extras that actually comes with. So they are exactly the same, except for
these two.
These two, right?
This is broccoli.
Cauliflower. This is cauliflower
with potato,
and this is the butternut.
Very rushed for our dinner because we actually have a pick-up at 6 p.m. just now. So we try all the dishes just now, and then my favorite dishes will be the garlic kebab, and then the masala tea is really nice. What about you?
I actually enjoy the butter chicken very much, and also The biryani rice is very buttery and very
Fluffy.
so it's really very tasty also.
Yes. And then yeah, we quite recommend you all to come and try the Indian food because the food there is very really healthy to me. It's less oil, less salt, less sweet, and then like you can request to be on your liking, and then yeah, do come and try.
Yes, so as mentioned by Jim and also by the manager of the restaurant, he said he tried to cater the taste to different taste buds. So the Indians, he will try to make it more spicy, and then for the foreigners, he will try to make it healthier with the correct amount of seasoning.
So with that, we hope you like the video, and then we hope you're going to visit the restaurant to try the Indian food.
Yes, so to give the Royal Taj a try, if you happen to be in Sentosa, yeah, I'm sure you will enjoy it very much.
Okay, now so it's time to say goodbye now.
See you in the next vlog.